Alright, so this cool knife is the OCK rig from OCKnives.com. It's shown right there. This knife is a cool little knife, so let's open up and see what we got. So it comes in a little plastic wrap. Alright, so here is the knife. It's a little heavy, I like that. So it is spring assisted, has a belt clip right there, and at the top has a glass breaker. It's kind of sharp. So let's check out the spring assisted and the blade. Alright, so the blade is half serrated on one side. The other's just normal. Has the liner lock right in the middle. So open that. See how centered the blade is when it's closed. See if I can get it focused real quick. Alright, so it is pretty centered in there. Great knife. Alright. Alright, so let's crank out the tape measure and see how long it is. Alright, so with just it closed, it is about 5 inches. And open, it is about 5.5 or 8.5, sorry. So then that means the blade is right at 3.5. This knife is great. Highly recommend it. I can get you 10% off, so check in the description down below. And the link to buy it is there too, OCKnives.com. They have a great selection of knives. I'd go check them out. And yeah, that's about it for that knife.